Good morning, all of you, once again here. And today's session, we are going to the additional routing protocol. Last session, we discussed about the routing protocol. What is the routing protocol? It is basically in the campus, any particular area, any network. At own level, there is a not need to the internal communication, any types of rules and regulation. But when we go outside our own network, definitely there are rules and regulation available in the world. Different location, different types of user rule regulation will be applicable. So last session, the basic rule regulation, that is the protocol, routing protocol from one location to another location. You can say from one network to another network, how to communicate. This is the discuss about the static routing protocol. Static routing protocol is basically applicable in that area. You can say that location where security concern is too high. In the many city, security area, Kent area is known as the security zone of the cities, and same the our border area, international border, our like for example, India and Pakistan, India and Nepal, Bangladesh, and India and China. So this is the border. At that location, definitely some secure networking protocol, routing protocol required. So one just a basic example is the static routing protocol. Already we have done in the last session, and today we going for the another routing protocol. This is the general routing protocol. Uh, Second option is that give example in the last session, our engineering college. So we just discussed there are two types of engineering college. One engineering college is the military engineering college, and another engineering college is the general engineering college. So static routing protocol concept is depend on the uh, military engineering college. In another engineering college, general engineering college, like you and I were a study for our engineering career. Uh, in this case, there is the no too much foundation. Suppose same I go we are going for the general engineering college, and after the joining our engineering college, there is the no highly restrictions like military engineering college. So I one day I calling my our intermediate friends, around 10 friends from intermediate, and my other mate is also calling their 10 friends in the same college. Because there is no boundary, so definitely our communication is not bar for our previous student and previous friends. So definitely when we calling anytime our my friends, and same my mate, he have also have the more and more friend, he also call the same time. So if we make meeting our friend to friend, so in this case, friend to friend also have a lot of friends, and they also a lot of chain, one to one chain. They have separate friend to friend. So after some days, we realize कि, I meet two friends, my friends and another mate friend, but after some time, they are very close other than me. So this is just I introduce one by one, and there is channel will be created, and information automatically friendship like any other communication channel, one to one and one to another, another to another, go ahead. So there is no bar. So say, but in the static routing protocol and the military engineering college, you are completely bounded by the concerned authority. You are not go to the, you not take any relationship with the previous friend, and you go outside in the my without my permission is not possible. But in this second case, there is no boundary, no high level restriction. So definitely one by one to one channel will be created, and each and every known very well. So such type of mechanism is known as dynamic. If I allow one person, you are free move any location, so definitely he move outside, and outsiders some take maybe make friends and friend to friends, friend to friend, and make a lot of channel. So now in the today's session, we discuss how to the dynamic routing implemented. A lot of dynamic routing protocol is available. Basically in India, two most, not only India, in the world also, two most important dynamic protocol is used here. Dynamic routing protocol. One is the RIP and another is the OSPF. RIP, that means the technical name of the RIP, you can say routing information protocol. And the same manner, OSPF is the known as technical name. OSPF is the open shortest path first. Okay. RIP is used by the BSNL and Airtel, and OSPF is also uh, Reliance Jio is completely based on Geo. Is completely based on OSPF. Our RIP protocol used by the BSNL and Airtel and OpenSAT BSNL. This is all other company also. There is no boundary. No? OSPF is in OSPF number of router is not limited. In RIP number of router is limited. How many router this application? Maximum 12 router. But BSNL use within 5 router. Sometimes 7 router is also, but in practically or 12 router is the possible as per already given. And in this case, OpenSOT number of router is unlimited. In India, a lot of router to router of network will here. So, and this is the less secure. Yes, is the less secure. In RIP is also in this case router number is limited, so definitely it is easy to trace the communication, what is the actual communication part. But in the OSPF, number of router is not fixed, it may be unlimited. So number path is you cannot easy to control how many number of paths, how what is the path taken by the any communication system. Okay. So one more thing, RIP basically now in the session just we go for the RIP for understanding. I and we, general public in the communication system, treat as the least secure, minimum secure user. Maximum security will be go for the banking sector, network related area, but general public like you and I in the telecommunication treat as the minimum security in the today. Upcoming time it may be possible ki security implemented for the all level will be very high, but in general tradition, general thinking, the normal user is the least secure. Okay, so RIP here technical name already decayed, but this word why use we are used in general in the local language, rest in peace. Further, the same behavior is a very simple, rest in peace. Okay, so in the our packet tracer configuration, if we go for the implementation of the this routing protocol concept, so definitely you have only one rule is possible, either military rules, either this rule. At a simultaneously, both rule is not possible. So already last session, our project the static routing protocol is implemented. So first remove that routing protocol, then implemented this rule. Okay. So now just open your packet tracer. Yeah, this is the already in this network one routing protocol. This is the static routing protocol implemented. If I want to change rule regulation, want to different routing protocol, so it is must be ensure remove old routing protocol. So already if I going for this router, I just go to the CLI. So first remove, then we go for adding the new routing protocol. So just enable, and how to check? I think here, okay. I typing the wrong command to definitely our system become hang. It will be in 30 seconds. So first, how to check what types of configuration available in the router? Go to the privilege mode and firing by the show running configuration. In the last session, Helika, you already know how to uh, find out the implemented what types of configuration will be implemented. So just here now check. So I just first we take this take some time. So I just go for the ISP router. Here is also implemented. Click here, enable. This is the ISP router. Just I check to what types of configuration is available in this my router. So by the command show running config, now press enter. Already we know about, but I just again repeat and repeat. 0 by 0 IP address 3.2, 0 by 1 IP address 2.1, and here is the routing protocol is the static routing protocol. You can see here. So I just select this routing protocol and copy here, copy. If you are remember, no problem, you can directly type this command, there is no issue. So just press enter and come up. Conf P. Okay. So any types of configuration where we go for in the router configuration. I want to the remove old routing protocol implementation. So just here type no and paste is the implementation command. So in the router configuration, always keep in the mind how to implement it, any command. Just write our IP route here, and how to remove, just use the no words. So same power supply, if going for how to do it, no shutdown. If you want to close power supply again, so just put shutdown. So this is a very important and easy to learn all of about. See how to remove wrong IP address, how to remove wrong any types of configuration. Just use of the word no, no. So here I want to remove earlier static routing protocol. Just type no and that command which implemented such types of configuration. So here I configuration implemented by the IP route 192.168.1.0 and with port number. So I just before typing no and enter. Now do right. So firing this command, this means ki now there is no routing protocol in the my this router. I just if sending packet, definitely this is the fail. You time a lot, no problem. It take white time because here is implemented. So same we go for the LTTC router. Now enable conf t. Just type no IP route. What types of here configuration for relieving here? This is 192.168.2.0. If you remember, it's okay. Otherwise, just go to the show running configuration, copy and paste here. Okay, 255.255.255.0 and this port 3.2, 192.168.3.2. Okay, do right. So now in my this network, either LTTC router, either ISP router, both router have no any types of configuration. Okay. So now I just click again here, and now in the today's session, we go for dynamic routing protocol. Okay. So dynamic routing protocol is nothing, just as a manager, I instruct this router, you are become freedom, and keep in the mind your freedom is also limited. This is suppose in the college, general engineering college, you have a lot of freedom, but there is some boundaries also. You are not allowed to the go to the outsider any. You just try your own uh, friends, your own mate, add you very well. Okay, no, suppose you are Indian, so you make a friend only Indian, not go make any Pakistani person friend, not make any other country friend. They may be your helper, it may be possible, but as a friend, you don't treat them. So same here, this router, I just implemented routing protocol. It's a dynamic. Just here, fire router rip. You are go become rip. Okay, freedom. Now next line is a version 2. Version 2 is the same own. If you are BSNL router, so you are implemented only your communication will be within the BSNL. Outside the BSNL, there will be different routing protocol, and that routing protocol is known as the BGP, Border Gateway Protocol. So meaning is very clear here. Same version 2 मतलब same BSNL. If these all router related to the BSNL, within the BSNL, you are free, go any location, don't no border. If you are whole, this is the Geo router, within the Geo company, no problem. Airtel router within the Air company, no problem. Okay. So version 2 meaning of this line is very simple. Your at own like company router. Now which network allow doesn't matter. The outside different type, what is the which types of network. Here we just this router connected two types of network 3.0 and 1.0. Okay, so just own network. So next line is fire network 192.168.1.0. Here subnet at own level. I know what is the subnet, so definitely here subnet not required. Another is the 3.0 and do right. Okay. So now this router just instruction router rip version 2 network. Okay. Own network. Same for the ISP BSNL router rip version 2 network 192.168.2.0 and another is also 3.0 and do right. In this case, it is very easy. Just you go to the own router and in such your own router, you are allow router rip means you are allow completely freedom and but keep in the mind at your own level, own company. So version 2 is the next line, and suppose here we have 5 different network also, 5 different there is a 5.0, here is a 6.0, but you allow only 2, so that is only 2 will be able to the communicate. Next is not allowed, so not computer. So it is completely depend on manager. Now I open both here or okay, you have that. This is the ALTTC customer edge router. This is ISP router. Okay. So very simple router rip version 2 1.0 from the this is the LTTC 1 and 3 is own directly network connected to the router LTTC router in the same ISP BSNL router same router rip version 2 and own network is a 2.3. So this is implemented after it is very easy implementation. In this case there is no confusion. Just go to the own router, firing the command and allow the number of network, they will be communicate across any location in the BSNL at same company, no problem. If you are doing, kindly, I'm also sharing this video. So now this is okay. So I just now check here. It's working, yes or no. I sending. This is very fast, without delay, without failure. This is a very fast. Okay. Elika, are you doing? Yeah, just listening. If you are doing, to please confirm me. Yes, yeah, it is already done. Yes, yeah, no. This is a dynamic routing protocol. So now our session about the routing protocol from one location to another location, how to communicate. This is already done now. Now my next session is the automatic allotment of IP. Tomorrow again in the morning. Tomorrow your session will be going for the 40 to 60 minutes. Session hour duration will be increased. It will take some time. So kindly tomorrow prepare 11 for 30 to, 40 to 50 minutes only. Now this do any problem to kindly share screen and ask, otherwise now over this.
No doubt, sir.
Okay, okay. So tomorrow our session that depending upon DSCP automatic allotment of IP and DNS also. Okay. So I try to the both sessions tomorrow will be complete. So it may be take 40 to 60 minutes. So kindly mentally prepare and the same network we try in the same network. Okay. So now okay today for thank you.